First thing we're gonna do for our pops is make a simple syrup. The secret for creamy fruit pops is organic sugar, guys. That's gonna keep them without crystallizing. It's delicious. So I'm going to dissolve a cup of organic sugar in a cup of water and stir it until it's dissolved, and that's it. We're simply going to stir this until it's dissolved and let it cook a couple minutes and turn it off. I have 1.5 cups of that simple syrup that we made. You can't add too much alcohol to these pops because otherwise they won't freeze, because alcohol doesn't freeze, okay? So I know it's tempting to put more in there, but it will fail. So I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of tequila to this. And 1 tablespoon of orange liqueur. I'm using triple sec. Now I'm gonna squeeze 6 limes in here. When things freeze, they lose their sweetness. So we want this to be on the sweet side, okay? It's delicious. All right, I'm going to fill 6 little molds here with my margarita. Guys, if you haven't subscribed and you would, I'd really appreciate that. And if you would like and comment, that would be great, and thank you. I'd also love it if you would share my video. I'm gonna add a little slice of lime into each one of these. Look, it's cut pretty thin, okay? And it is an organic lime, guys. If you're not using organic, don't do this, because the peel has a lot of chemicals on it. One way of making sure these don't slant is to soak them for about 30 minutes. We're gonna freeze these until tomorrow, and then we'll enjoy them. And I'm going to unmold one so we can taste it. All I did is run some water on the side. Oh, wow. Oh, salud, guys. These are soft. I think I overdid it with the alcohol. Maybe a little less alcohol. But they're great, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.